We are back at Gullet Road. So this is the 6-bed HMO in Edgbaston, near the end of the project. So we've done the flooring again just to level it out. I'm not sure that's enough. This kitchen, obviously the kitchen's been here for a while. Decorating is pretty much finished now throughout, so it's at this stage it's just snagging, fixing certain electrics, final touches on certain paintwork, and that's it really. Carpeting where needed on the stairs. So the carpeting on the stairs has been left to the end, just because there's a lot of building work going in and out, and we don't want to damage it. It'll be commercial carpeting. So the furniture has arrived and assembled. That was finished a few days ago. Special thanks to Barbara from Yardley Furniture Store. It's ensuite in there. This is a large room actually. So it's that's the tea station. So the fridge freezer will go there. Yeah, as you can see, this is the furniture range that we use. Gloss finish, so nice and easy to clean. Nice classic look. Nothing too sort of bold or adventurous. It's just a nice, unoffensive, but a very good classic look throughout. So that should last a long time. Room 2. So these are sort of the smaller rooms, but again, still 10.5 meters squared, so it meets the minimum requirement. And there's 2 of these. Annoyingly, we couldn't remove the chimney breast because they would have, would require a partition wall agreement with the neighbour, and that would have taken too long. And there's like 3 or 4 chimney breasts to move, and that would have been too expensive. Tank room, ensuite for room 5. So I've just moved the furniture around. I've moved the wardrobe over there just to make it look more spacious. Originally it was over here, and let's completely block the line of sight. This usable space, that's the garden up there. Usable space here. Then this will be, I guess, where you'd put, well actually I'd probably put this, give me a second. Yeah, literally on the job. Okay. There you go. It's a bit narrow, hopefully not a fire risk, but we'll check on that. So let's walk through again. So this will be the sort of walk-in wardrobe area. So we'll put some hooks and hangers along here so tenants can put their coats up, and a mirror, no doubt the mirror will go here. Go through, and then you've got this, a bit more larger living space here. It's probably a bit better actually. Okay. That's the ensuite. Obviously, once everything's done, then commercial carpets go down on here. Then we'll do the snagging, and then we'll ask Helen to come with her team to come and do a deep clean. So this is pretty much the exact replica of room 2 downstairs, but it's actually a bit bigger. Looking at it, it is a bit bigger. Okay, so and then studio. So this is Studio 3. Let me close the door. Nice large studio, nice tiling. Again, very classic neutral look. So medium grey carpets, lino around the bath and kitchen area, white walls, grey furniture, and then sort of gloss white and oak furniture. Again, unoffensive, brilliant, loads of curb appeal. The tenants then, that's a nice look. The tenants then, it's an open, so it's a blank canvas, and then tenants can then come and dress, the room. We'll probably put a mirror up there actually. And the reason being is that, tenants have a lot of things, and if they're going to spend a lot of time in their bedrooms, we don't want to over clutter it with too many colours, too many flowers and all that sort of stuff, because it would just look really cluttered over time, and maintenance costs would be a nightmare as well. Again, final room. So this is Studio 6, large room. So the other beds that we've been using downstairs, we couldn't get them up the stairs. So we use these instead, and these are great. We use these anyway. And again, always make sure plenty of space underneath, and that's the storage, so suitcase, stuff like that. So in HMOs with your rooms, always make sure you either have plenty of storage underneath, like these type of bed, or the cutout ones like downstairs, because we do want to use our storage. And these are really durable. I mean, look at that. So a large part of what I do, and probably what landlords and portfolio landlords and investors should do in general, is go and touch and feel the furniture, and go and touch and feel the carpeting and the flooring. So lino, laminate stuff that you think you're going to use for your properties. Make sure that they're durable and they're a good design. Make sure you negotiate a good price, and then just use that for all your properties. Anyway, my name is Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and singles in and around Birmingham. We're starting the viewings process already. I'm just here actually to take some preliminary marketing pictures, because the sun's out, the furniture is in, and it's a good chance to get some nice pictures up. Obviously, these are preliminary pictures, but it just means we can get the ads up, so people can get an idea, tenants can get an idea of what to expect. Obviously, once everything's done, I'll come back again properly, and then we'll do we'll dress the place, we'll dress each room, we'll dress the property, and then take final marketing pictures and videos and have them on file. But hopefully we'll get this let by then anyway. All right, hope that's been helpful. See ya. Bye.